Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to download Google Maps app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the App Store if you have iPhone, but if you have Android, go ahead and open Play Store. Well, whatever you do, I'm going to show you in iPhone. All you have to do is go ahead and find that search option in both apps. On the App Store, there's a search option on the bottom right corner. Then there's a search bar on the top. Well, tap on the search bar. Find the search bar on the Play Store as well. There's the search bar at the top of the screen on Android. Well, go ahead and type in Google Maps there. Then select the Google Maps from the suggestions given by the app. Now once you do that, select the Google Maps Transit and Food option. Well, that's the Visit app. Tap on it. Then right beside the logo, you're gonna find backup option if you previously downloaded the app. If not, you're gonna find Get option there. If there's a written Get, then you might have to type in your iCloud's username and password on the Play Store. Go ahead and select Install option or Download option. It might vary with the type of app or phone you have. Well, all you have to do is select that cloud or backup option or Get option or install or download option. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Google Maps on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.